Hi, my name is Sarah Davis, and I'm the 4-H Youth Development Extension Agent here in Sarasota County. And I'm super excited to share a little bit about 4-H. We are a youth development program. We focus on all things kids and training volunteers that work with kids. How does this happen? We engage youth in project-based learning that really builds leadership and life skills. Many of our programs focus on STEM topics, including science, environmental education, and many things in between. So we do this through a couple of different methods. We have community clubs, which meet typically in the evenings or on the weekends and engage kids in all kinds of cool projects. We do school programs. And we also have after-school opportunities, and we've also done some summer experiences, whether it's day camp, residential camp, or leadership experiences in Gainesville. So our main goal is really to excite kids about what they're passionate about and help them build leadership, citizenship skills, and learn how to become amazing members of our community. This past summer we did a day camp where kids got to explore all over Sarasota and learn about the main ecosystems that we have here in our environment. Several kids went on to Gainesville for competitions in 4-H public speaking and Share the Fun talent competition. And our clubs are getting up and running this fall. So there are a lot of opportunities. We really look to partner with agencies because it does take a village to promote positive youth development, and we would love to work, partner, or even just share resources. Contact me and be happy to answer any more questions that you have. Thank you.